hydrogen containing acid. Will it be okay? Will you be able to understand? So can I erase this one all?
Yes.
Okay. So let us try to understand the other one little bit. For they are, that is, although others are also the hydrogen containing, hydrogen is compulsory in the acid, but I am going for the oxy acid, oxygen containing acid, oxygen containing acid. The formula is same. What the formula is same, that is based on, what is based on anion. This is what all based on anion. That is what negative charge. They all are going to be based on the negative charge. So how can you be able to understand? Suppose H2SO4 we are going. Okay, H2SO4. So there are the oxygen is there in this one, you can say. Okay. So here if this type of things are coming, so we are not going to use the word the hydro. Okay. So what can be the name one? This is called what? Sulfuric acid. This is what that is the name is sulfuric acid. Why sulfuric acid? Because sulfur is there and more number of oxygen is there. So this is going to be IC. So sulfuric acid. Suppose HNO3 is there. HNO3. So that is what nitrogen is there. So it is going to be nitric acid. Nitric acid. Okay, nitric acid. Now another thing you see HNO2. See, the oxygen here is 3 and here is less. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So less number of oxygen is there. So that is called nitrous acid. Nitrous means that is more oxygen is there now. More oxygen. More oxygen means they are talking about IC, and less oxygen is there. Less oxygen. So less oxygen means what it is going to be OUS. Let us go with the another one. H2.
Wait, sir.
Yes,
Less oxygen than what?
less than this one. Less than this one. See, this one is the nitric acid is the mother acid. Okay. And from the mother acid, their number of oxygen is less in this one.
What if we're not given the mother acid?
That you need to memorize. That you need to memorize. This is also mother acid. Okay. Whatever you know already, they are the mother acid. This is the, I will tell you, this sulfuric acid. Now, IC is the mother acid. So compared to sulfuric, till now you must be learning about the sulfuric acid. So you see, out of this one, if you talk about the sulfuric acid, here you see this one.
Yeah.
So sulfuric acid we are considering mother acid. Okay. If you ask how we can understand mother acid, then you need to understand in the next class where we need to study the oxidation number. How? Here the oxidation number is +6. Then you will ask that is why. It is difficult to tell you. And here is if you talk about 3 to the 6 minus 2. Here is 4 is there. So the concept is what is more oxidation number, more positive charge, more charge is there. So more means that is IC and less means what? Less means OUS. So simple is there up to your level. It is what they are saying, just simply memorize. Okay. Nothing to do much, just memorize. So after this one, if you are comparing this one, you can see number of oxygen reduced, yes or no?
Yeah.
So it will, its name will be what? Sulfurous acid. SULPHOUROUS, sulfurous acid. This is, suppose this Cu, that is, it is coming what? OUS, yes or no?
Yeah.
So if you, I will go for the next one, HClO2. See, but HClO2, HClO3, this is called the chloric acid. This is the parent acid, HClO3. Okay, HClO3 is parent acid. So if you talk about parent acid, I am putting in the circle. These are the parent acid. This is also the parent acid. Its name is chlorine is there. So chlor, and that is IC acid, chloric acid. So more number of oxygen is there, so it becomes that is IC. But you talk about HClO2, so number of oxygen got reduced. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So its name will be what? CHLOUROUS, chlorous acid. This one. Spelling, if you talk about the CHLOROUS, okay, this is correct. Chlorous acid. So what happened here? The number of oxygen reduced. It means it become the what? Acid.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Next one, if I will go, what are there? See, one more is there. H2CO3. H2CO3. This is what carbon is there, na? Oxygen is there. So this is called carbonic acid. Carbonic. So these much are there for the in your syllabus. These many are there. Other things I will give you in the form of exercise that you can practice. So this much is there in your syllabus. They will give this much only. Okay, not more than that.
Okay.
Uh, if you want to write the more examples, na, more examples can be given also. Suppose if this is there, COOH and COOH, this is there. Or it can be given C2H2C2O4. This is called oxalic, OXALIC. Again, IC, oxalic acid. No others are there. That much only is there.
Okay.
So I'm erasing now. Can I erase all?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So now naming of base. We are going to naming of base.
So this is nomenclature, right?
Yes. What?
This is nomenclature, right?
Yes. Nomenclature of base.
Okay.
Okay. So nomenclature of base means what? That is, it is based on. It is based on what they are talking about. It is based on positive charge, and also negative charge, so both things, it is going to be based on positive and negative charge both, right? Now let us see if what we have to do. Positive is there now, positive, so they are saying that use the word IUM, and negative is there, negative, for the negative IDE. Okay. And what is the sequence? If you are talking about sequence, yes, sequence, if you talk about, so that is positive metal plus negative non-metal. This is what is going to be naming order. Positive metal and negative non-metal. This is the sequence. Suppose NaOH. So that is, metal is always positive. That you need to keep in mind. So it will be the positive charge sodium, and this is negative charge. So how to we write that is? So sodium is there, so it will be what? Sodium, right? And what is OH is there? So that is what is named as hydroxide. This is what sodium hydroxide. Can't you understand this? Sodium hydroxide.
Okay.
Okay. If suppose I am taking about CaOH whole twice, what can be the name? Can you please tell me?
Ca. Okay. Ca is calcium, right?
Calcium. Thank you. Yeah, correct only. Calcium. And OH is same. That is going to be hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. There is the very simple one. For base is the too simple. Suppose I am talking about AlOH whole thrice. So what is the Al? Is the aluminum?
Aluminum hydroxide.
So this is every word is what? IUM. Here you can match it. You can match. You can easily find that is here the word is IUM and IDE. Here is also IUM and IDE, and here is IUM plus IDE. So it is going to be aluminum hydroxide. This is going to be aluminum hydroxide. If you talk about other things, what can be the other one? Aluminum hydroxide. After that, suppose I am writing BaOH whole twice. Tell me the name of this one. What will be the name of this? Yeah. Arav.
Hello, sir.
Tell me the name. What is the name of this one? What will be the name of this one? Someone is calling, keep on calling.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Audible?
Sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, tell me. Hello?
Very
Barium hydroxide. So these are the name of the bases. Can you be able to understand now this one?
Sir, I could not hear you.
Still you are not able to hear me?
No, now I can hear you. But
Earlier.
before I could not hear you.
Yeah. Someone was keep on calling. That is why the net disconnected. Now you see this is Ba is the barium na. Again IUM and IDE, that is oxide, barium oxide. So this is what, that is barium hydroxide. I'm sharing you the one assignment just right now. You just go and check that is, are you be able to solve that one or not? Immediately I am sharing you. You see that is yeah. Can you check your WhatsApp? Hello, can you check your WhatsApp? Got?
Yeah.
You check. Will you be able to solve this one?
Yeah. Should I do?
No, it will. If you will do like that now, so it will kill the time. So we will study. You do by yourself, and if you are
Okay.
not able to, just you put me message. I will solve and I will tell you. Okay, so I am erasing this one and I am going for the another topic. What is another topic we are having? Predict
Wait, so
the.
sir,
Yes.
when you're naming bases, does it always end with hydroxide?
Yes. Base means that is OH 100%. Up to your level, that is this much only. But you go the higher level, like see, like an ammonia is base, NH3 is base. But then there is no OH na, so you can't name this one. But in your syllabus, what is there? That is acid is the H plus containing and base is OH containing. Up to that is there. So that I am telling you that much only. In the next year, we'll teach you in the detail the extra thing. Otherwise, you will be getting confused much. Okay, you will feel headache that what sir is teaching. That is why I'm giving you, that is up to your level. Okay, can we go for? See, the reactions are there. What are the reactions are there in your syllabus? Acid plus base is there. That is first one. Second one, what I am seeing, acid plus metal is there. Acid plus metal. Next one, predict the product of nuclei. Acid base, acid metal. And next one is that is acid plus metal oxide. This is there, metal oxide. Next one is there, acid plus carbonate base. Acid plus carbonate base. This is going to be carbonate base. These are there. Okay. So let us try to understand this point. That is, what are these points are there. Okay. So just now you got to know that is what is the acid base reaction. If you are taking acid plus base, so it is going to give what? Salt plus water. This is what is the name of this reaction is. If you talk about neutralization, yes or no? Neutralization.
Yeah.
So this is what acid plus base gives salt plus water. So this is very simple, like HCl plus NaOH. So what is going to give? That is NaCl plus H2O. If you are going for H2SO4 plus NaOH, you can take that is two molecule. So it is going 2 N, no, it is not 2. It is only, it is going to give 1. Na2SO4 plus Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Okay. If you are taking, that is HNO3 plus NaOH. So it is going to give NaNO3 plus it is going to give the H2O. So is it okay? Acid base reaction. Can you understand this one? Acid base reaction.
Yeah, but how would I name it? Like, what's the nomenclature?
Name is that already I told you na. This one what? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric
Okay.
acid, nitric acid, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Here is the sodium chloride. No, sodium chloride. Naming of the salt is not there in your syllabus, so I didn't teach. This is what sodium, IUM same, and non-metal is there, so this is going to be IDA. Sodium sulfate, ATE. Okay, sodium nitrate, ATE. So salt negative part is going to be either ATE or the IDE. Okay, so that we need to memorize this one. See, SO4 2 minus, it is called sulfate. This is sulfate. Okay.
Okay.
So sulfate, sodium is there and SO4 is there. Sulfate ion, how much valency? 2. Sodium ion valency 1. Cross multiply. So it is going to give what? Na2SO4. So what is there? Its name is sodium and SO4 ion is what? Sulfate. Sodium sulfate. Can you be able to? Is it okay? No. Hello?
Sir, NO3 nitrate, right?
This one you are asking? Hello? 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 Arav? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Someone is calling. That is why net is getting disconnected. Extremely sorry. What to say? So many times. Yeah. Ask me.
So NO3 is nitrate, right?
NO3 is nitrate. Look, go on the another page. NO3 minus. That is, it is called nitrate ion. Okay.
Sir, I think
NO.
ATE.
But here is nitrite ion. I will give you the least one also. This one, nitrite ion. This one is SO4 2 minus. This is sulfate ion. Okay. This one, SO3 2 minus. This is called sulfite ion. Sulfite, SULPH, sulfite ion. S2 minus. This is called sulfide ion. SULPHIDE, sulfide ion. Okay. If suppose O2 minus, it is there called oxide ion. And that many charge are there. They are the number of valency. See, if I'll go with the, suppose sodium I am taking and that is nitrate I am taking. NO3. So here valency I wrote you how much? One charge, na? So one charge means one valency. One sodium valency is also one. Cross multiply. See the formula. It is coming NaNO3. So what is the name? It is going to be sodium nitrate. This is what? Sodium nitrate. Now go with the another one. NaNO2. Okay, same charge is there. So same charge means 1. Here is what is 1. Cross multiply. What is coming? NaNO2. This is also possible compound. This is what is named sodium nitrite. NITRITE. Sodium nitrite. Can't you be able to understand?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I
I
am giving
think
you.
they,
Yeah.
I think eight and eight will also
Uh-huh.
come on the exam.
Yes. See, another. Acha, okay, you see. Suppose the NaCl is there. NaCl.
Mm.
So NaCl is what? Sodium there,
Chloride.
and Cl is what? Chloride. IDE. So IDE is the one word. Then ATE is another word. ITE is another word. So three words are there. Not only here you see IDE is there. So IDE and IDE is common. Okay, oxide, sulfide, chloride, bromide, they are there. Okay,
Iodide, hydride, right?
hydride, yes. So, but
Okay.
here is there oxygen containing. So ATE or ITE is there. No such rule is not there that much. When you practice so many compound, easily you will be able to understand, right?
Okay.
Can I erase now?
Okay, but there's no rule for 8 and 8.
Means that is ATE means more number of oxygen. Simple is that. More oxygen and less number means ITE. And no, these are the singular species. If the this IDE means what? See, sulfide, oxide, chloride. No, this is IDE is the different one. That is if the single is there, so IDE. But that is also I'm saying there is no rule is there as such. There is no rule. Directly when you practice so many compound, then easily you will be able to cope up with this.
Okay.
Can I erase?
Yeah.
So then previous page I'm going this one. So acid plus base is completed. Acid plus base is completed. Now we are going for the acid plus metal. Can I go?
Yeah.
Now let's go acid plus metal. Acid plus metals. Okay. How can you be able to understand acid plus metal when acid react with their? When is your exam, Arav?
Third.
Okay. When acid react with metal, it gives what it is going to give. When acid react with metal, it gives what is going to give. When acid react with metal, it gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Now, note. Hydrogen gas can be tested by bringing what you are going to by bringing burning they are saying matchstick 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 to the test tube they are saying to the test tube it gives what is going to give it gives pop sound pop sound. You can easily do this one. Suppose what is there. See, this
We've
is
done
the
it.
yeah, you have done na? See, this is
Yeah.
the acid is there. Okay, you put the metal here, you are putting the metal. So what will happen, another test tube, you will find that is after the reaction some gases will come out, and when the burned matchstick you are bringing now, burned matchstick, so burned matchstick you are bringing, so that is what sound is going to come, that is pop sound. Okay, so this is what is the acid base. So what the key point is, Arav, that is when acid react with what? When acid react with metal, it gives what is going to give, that is salt plus hydrogen gas. Got it? Understood?
Okay.
So I am erasing. Can I erase this one?
Yeah.
Let us go. Sodium plus HCl. Take two molecules. Here is also 2. So what is going to give? 2NaCl plus what is going to form, that is hydrogen gas. What is? Take two molecules, sodium plus H2SO4, right? So it is going to give Na2SO4. So what is left here? Hydrogen gas. Yes or no? Go further.
Mm.
Go with another metal. Suppose you are talking about magnesium 2,1. You take nitric acid HNO3. Okay. This also 2. So it is going 2M. No, not 2. Don't take 2 because its valency itself is 2. So that is MgNO3. MgNO3 twice plus it is going to give hydrogen gas. If you are talking about another one, you can take some other acid. What acid you can say? That is you are taking calcium plus you can say HNO2 you can take 2 molecule. So CaNO2 this is going to be twice. You can ask the formula. I will teach you. If you are facing the problem to write this formula, I will explain you.
No,
Okay.
sir, I understand that. It's just that nomenclature is hard.
Nomenclature of what? Nomenclature of what? Acid or base?
No, one
Salt.
second. I'll just send you something
Okay.
from well,
Yeah, send me, send me. Mhm. Didn't receive anything.
I sent now.
Oh my God. It's you.
Did you
So
see it? Iron 2 oxide, iron 3 oxide, PbI4, COCl2, FeO, like that. And
they are
then
asking
balancing.
somewhere they are asking the formula and someone they are asking the name. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm erasing. Can I erase this one? This page, this can I erase? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. CrO, that is iron second oxide. Iron 2 oxide. This is second oxide. Iron second oxide means that is FeO. FeO. Why FeO? If I would say, I would say why FeO? If I will ask, so you see, Fe means the I don't know the what is the valency of this one. I am talking about X. This we don't know. That's why I talk about X. So plus, what is the charge on oxygen? Oxygen is 8. So 2 and 6. Yes or no? Is it okay? Configuration of oxygen are 8 electrons, so 2 and 6. Is it okay? Hello? Hello? Audible?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Aro, some person is calling again and again. Let me talk with him. So he is disturbing, keep on disturbing. Someone is calling, keep on calling. That is keep on calling. I think. Hello.
Hello.
Sorry, too much disturbance. Okay, I got your questions. Let me see. I am talking about I'm asking that is oxygen, oxygen is 8. So 2 comma, how much it is going to be? 2 comma, it is going to be 6. Do you know this one, 2 comma 6?
Yeah,
Total,
electrons.
To complete the octet, how many electron required? To complete the
Two
octet,
more.
2 electron. So if you are adding oxygen plus 2 electron, so it is going to be what? O2 minus? Yes? Yes, yeah, no? Yes, yeah, no?
Yeah.
So we are
Yeah.
we FeO. See, we are having the X. I don't know how much will be the charge on Fe. So but oxygen charge I got to know how much is there. -2 equal to 0. Total charge on the FeO there is 0. So what I did here, so X minus 2 is equal to 0. So X is equal to 2. It means in this compound, how much charge is there on the oxygen? Also 2 is there. So its name will be what? Iron. It is going to be iron. Charge is how much? 2. So iron second, and O is what? Oxide. Iron second oxide.
So just FeO.
Yeah, FeO, iron second oxide. The first one is iron second oxide. Now let us go for iron third. Can you be able to understand this now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now next one is there iron third oxide. Another they are talking about iron third oxide. Iron third oxide. Iron third oxide, if you are talking about, so Fe2O3. Now see, 3 to the 6, 6 by 2, that is okay. See, oxygen just now I told you how much charge is there on oxygen?
-2.
-2. Thank you. And iron is the 2 are there, so I consider 2x. Because 2 iron are there, I don't know how much charge is there, so I consider 2x, right? So here is Fe 2x plus 1 oxygen -2. 1 oxygen charge on the 1 oxygen is -2. Then I multiplied by that is total number of oxygen equal to 3 equal to 0. So 2x, 3 to the 6, -6 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to, it is coming 6. So x is equal to 6 by 2. So x is equal to, it is coming +3. So it means Fe2O3, it is having +3 charge, and its name will be what? Iron. It is going to be third oxide. Can't you be able to understand?
Okay. Just why did you use 3 and 2, sir?
3
Why
and
do you make it 2 and -2 times 3?
because 3 atoms are there. 3 atoms. One oxygen now. One oxygen -2 you told me. So 3 oxygen means what? -2 multiplied by 3. Like here x is there, 2 iron, so 2x. Is it okay? Is it okay? Hello, Arav?
Sir?
Yeah. Is it okay now?
Yeah. So when I don't know Fe2O3, how do I find?
Fe2O3, you don't know. How do just now I calculated here now. Fe2O3.
Yeah, but
Hmm.
where do you get 2 and 3 from? It says 2x plus -2 times 3. Where does 3 and 2 come from?
There is the rule is there, but it will take time. Okay, rule is there. Rule is consider x for the atoms, for the atom
Okay.
which which oxidation state I am writing, which oxidation state is to be calculated, which oxidation state is to be calculated. Okay, this is to be calculated. So for oxygen, I am simply writing for oxygen, charge is how much is there? Charge is -2. For oxygen, charge is how much? -2. Got it? Oxygen charge is -2. If you are talking about I is how much? -1. F, that is -1. Cl, -1. S, it is going to be -2. So these things we need to memorize. Just now I told you how. Suppose if you are going fluoride, fluoride is 9. 9 means 2 and 7. How much electron required to complete the octet? 1 electron.
One.
Yes. So that is 1 electron. So it is going to be F minus. So this you know very well. Now you go. Here is the two compound you are supposed to ask what is they are talking about. Fe2O3 you said, and another you are talking about FeO. Iron I don't know. So iron I consider X. Iron here also I consider X. How many irons are there in the first compound? 2. Yes or no? So I multiply by 2. Here iron is 1, so multiply by 1. Here I added plus, here I added plus. How many, each oxygen, how much charge is there, Arav?
-2.
-2. So how many oxygen is there in this compound?
3.
3. Equal to, there is not charge till now, there is no charge up here, so here is 0. So now solve this. 2x, 3 to just 6, minus 3, plus into minus minus, equal to 0. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2. So it is going to be plus 3. So x is equal to, it is going to be plus 3. Got it? X is equal to plus 3. So here is what is that is, here is plus 3. Now if you are trying to write the name, so can you write that is iron? How much charge on F is there? 3. Iron third, what is there? O, oxide. Are you be able to understand now? Iron third oxide.
Yeah.
Now go for this one. How many oxygen is there? Iron 1, oxygen now. 1 oxygen, so -2 na? Yes or no? Equal to 0.
Yeah.
So x
So,
plus into minus, that is -2 equal to 0. So x is equal to, it is going to be plus 2. Yes or no?
yeah.
So that is what, if you are writing the name, that is what is going to come. Iron second, it is going to be oxide.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So can I go the next question? Next question I'm going now. Next question, what is there? This is the, can I change this one? Can I erase? Are you writing?
No, I got it.
Next one is there, PbI4. PbI4. Okay. So what is negative? I negative is there now. Its name is iodide. Chloride, fluoride, iodide. F minus is there, that is fluoride. This is fluoride. Okay. Cl minus is there, chloride. So this is okay. What is the Pb? Pb you are writing, that is called lead. LED.
Lead.
Okay. Now go. First of all, you calculate the oxidation number. I don't know the oxidation number of this, so I consider X. Okay. Now, tell me how much charge is there on I? How much charge is there on one I?
-1 times 4.
-1. Multiply by 4 equal to 0. Just solve it. X minus 4 equal to 0. So X is equal to, it is coming how much? Plus 4. Okay. It means here is how much is their charge is there? 4. Right? Name. So what will be the name? Lead 4. Okay. Lead 4 iodide. Are you
Okay.
understood this one?
Okay.
Next one more. Let us go with the one more. Another is there, COCl2. Okay, COCl2. So COCl2, if you are talking about COCl2, it is I considered to be X. Okay. And Cl is, how much charge is on the Cl is there? Can you tell me?
Cl is -2.
-1.
-1. Sorry, I don't have periodic table right now.
No, Cl you see na, Arav. So 2, 8, 7. 17. One electron less na. So 2 Cl is there, so multiply by 2 equal to 0. So X minus 2 equal to 0. So X is equal to, it is going to be plus 2. X is equal to plus 2. Means here is how much charge will be coming, that is +2. Now let us try to write the name. What will be there? Cobalt, COBALT, cobalt. Second, chloride, cobalt second chloride. Can you be able to understand now?
Yeah.
Okay, so balancing is also there, type of reaction is there. You have sent from your book, na?
Yeah.
Okay, you ask me which one should I tell you. You ask me, I will tell.
Okay.
Hmm.
How do I do K3P? So would that be
K3P. Okay, let me tell.
calcium
Okay,
phosphoride?
K3P. See, if you talk about K is the potassium.
Yeah.
Potassium. Phosphorus, do you know? Phosphorus is 15. 15. Okay. 15 means 285. 2, 8, 10, 5, 15. How many electron required to complete the octet? 8 electron. How much electron required? Can you tell me?
3. So 3 minus.
3. Thank you. Thank you. P3 minus, right? So here is the P3 minus. Now, so phosphorus is -3. Now, let us go and try to find out the oxidation number. K3P. So K I don't know, so I consider to be X. And how many potassium is there? So 3X plus phosphorus, how many you are saying? -3 equal to 0. So 3X minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3X is equal to +3. So X is equal to +3 by 3. So X is equal to how much? That is +1.
1.
So +1. Here is how much is there? 1. Roman numeral you need to write. Roman. So potassium 1. Okay. And phosphite. No, phosphite. P phos PH PHO phosphite. This one. Potassium 1 phosphite. Done.
Okay. Phosphide because it's a negative base.
ID is the simple na. Chloride, bromide. But phosphorus is what? That is phosphite.
Okay.
Anyone else? Any other one you want? Balancing, for balancing you need to take another class because there is no time and so many of my students already came outside. Okay. Otherwise I will tell you. Balancing, can I make video and send you? Otherwise you can go one more class. Maybe if you want tomorrow also possible. Tomorrow also possible.
Tomorrow, sir, I'm not free. Thursday.
Thursday, okay. Up to you. 3 to 4 I am free. That is what I am saying. 3 to 4 daily I am free. My classes is starting offline classes here in the tuition. That is the 4 o'clock. So
Okay.
3 to 4 daily I am free.
Okay. So
Yes.
so Thursday we have class anyways, right?
Yeah. But Thursday it may be I don't know what will be the date because your exam was also day 3rd, na? It may be the.
It's on. Oh, my exam is on 5th. I mean on Friday. Sorry.
Okay. So we can have the on Thursday. And what other point I'm saying? Aro, you share my number if your friends are asking na directly. Share my number na.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Don't say to sir. Directly
Yeah.
share my number. So we can directly we can study. So they need not to pay the additional charge to the coaching person, right?
Yeah.
If it is direct, so it can be simply the teacher and student. Yes, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. So share if any of your friends are facing problem in chemistry, you directly share.
Okay. Fine.
So what I am doing, Arav, I am just leaving you. I will solve this the problem what you have given. Na? I will solve I will solve this problem and I make the video and I will share you. Right. So you need not to. I will share by the, okay, night time I will do this one. Okay.
Okay, sir, can you also do the naming one, like the first picture I sent you?
Okay. Sure.
First,
Yeah.
and also, could you help me with the fourth picture? It says, write and predict the balanced chemical equation for the following reactions.
That is what I'm saying. That is, I will make video and I'll share you.
Oh,
Balance.
so you'll do all.
Yeah. All I will tell you the rules. Some I will do, and some you try. Okay. Some I will do, and some you try. But I will I will make video and I'll share that one. Okay. So no
Okay.
need to worry. Okay. So
Okay, fine.
bye, Arrow. Bye. Na? I'm going for the class. Okay. Bye.
All right, thank you.